I used to live in Amsterdam for about 10 years and then moved back to Scotland in 2016, and I was playing football a lot because I didn't really know much about rugby. And then I was training after school one time, and the rugby they were playing rugby on the other side of the pitch, and some of my friends were there as well, and I was like, that looks way more fun. And then kind of just started doing that, and that was really it. Played with the school and then trialled for under-18s and got picked up there. I think it was when I got picked up by under-18s, I was like, okay, this could be like a little bit more serious. And then I definitely think like the growth of training facilities and stuff like that is really great for kind of wanting to grow that as well. So like RTC and stuff like that was definitely like something I wanted to like be a part of. I think I've definitely progressed a lot like through, I think the academy definitely helps a lot, playing like with different players that you don't usually play with, and then at a club as well. I've been so grateful to be a part of County. Like, there's a lot of individual talent there, and we just come together as a team really well. We worked really hard that whole season to get to that point. It was just like amazing to like when the final whistle blew. I just remember we were like on overtime and Sophie Murphy caught the ball and just kept running, and I was like, no, like kick out please, like let it end so we won. As soon as that final whistle blew, like the celebrations just didn't stop from there. Like, winning with that team and stuff like that, like they're some of my best friends. It was just awesome, and like we're just looking to try and do the same thing this season as well. Coming up short last season was definitely gutting, but we learn from every single game we play. We take every game just week by week and just like keep trying to chip at that.
An coachrí cluiche son Stirling County, ha Holland a bhí na fáiste skipper Glasgow Warriors, agus ha ion dúil a leintin a ruir leis an leiscigéice at a bhith an Celtic Challenge a Chile son season fichit a coig fichit a shia.
It was really cool. Like, it was something that like I wouldn't even think of. It's awesome to like be a part of such a great club as well. Like, it's not just a separate thing. It's really cool to like have Glasgow Warriors like have a women's team. I wouldn't never have thought of that. When you think of Scottish clubs, you think of Glasgow and Edinburgh, so it's really cool that like we are like a part of that as well, and not just a subgroup of like women's rugby. You play with and train with loads of people that you usually play against, especially coming from the club scene, and then people coming up from like down south, and then Edinburgh uni people also playing at Glasgow. Like, you just play and learn from different people all the time, coaches as well, so definitely a step up. I think playing against like internationally capped players is a learning experience every time. You learn a lot from losing, and it's definitely something that you cherish a lot when you like get that win, especially like last season, getting that first win against Edinburgh. Like, that was just like something that you, like I couldn't even imagine. You want it so bad the whole season, and then like when you finally get it, it's just like unreal.
En dé a bhí na skipper son ALBA fó 8 díag ag farpas nan sia dúchanan an fichit a gá. Ha Holland a bhí cluich rugby ag iad a náisianta leis an skipper fó fichit, is í a gamas Cape ain san ALBA teach.
The intensity goes up like 100%. You say like touch and it's shoulders on, and you say shoulders on and it's full contact. Like, once you get in, you just like you want to keep like being there. Like, that's exactly like where I want to be. Every time I go in, I'm just like grateful for the experience, grateful to learn off everyone. But definitely something like I want to strive towards. International people, like everyone wants to be there. That's like exactly like everyone strives towards the same goal. Everyone wants to improve. Everyone wants to play really well for their country. The Women's World Cup this year has been like monumental for women's rugby, and definitely pushed it on. I think more people watch than ever, so young girls on, even young boys like watching it, like seeing that like it's for both of us, it's for men and women, so like it's definitely awesome to see like that they've performed really well, and then younger players looking up to them.
At sa han season rugby a dollar ard, chan é van gevil Holland son an príomh league a bhúnachug le Stirling, ach cúteach a game a leisachig le Glasgow Warriors agus an skippin náisianta.
I've had loads of fun playing for County this season, like even in the hard games, like after, I'm just like buzzing to even like be a part of County. Obviously we're looking for that final, but we're also looking to like get a home final. That'd be really great. That's like the bigger picture, but we take every game like one by one, like we do not look towards like further games or anything like that. We're just like, what's this week? So we're taking it step by step, but obviously the goal is the Prem, obviously, to win it. Looking forward to the Glasgow season. I definitely like just want to play well for Glasgow and like get a few wins under our belt. Just really looking forward to the Glasgow season. I had so much fun last year, even though I got injured, and the year before. Like, I've just loved my time at Glasgow every single year. Being a part of the Six Nations squad, like every single time I train at the national team, like I'm always looking for more, and I like, it's just somewhere I want to be a part of every single time. Definitely coming off the back of the injury, so proud of myself to just like get through that, and I've definitely just learned like from playing and doing and all this training that I've been so grateful to have. I've just learned through that, and I definitely, again, if I looked back at how I played before, I'd be really cringing, but I've definitely learned so much like through the Scottish Academy and stuff like that. Like, has been definitely why I've like gotten to where I am.